People desire to have hair that is healthy and full of volume because it is aesthetically pleasing and acts as an ornament for the face. But one thing that works against it is the fear that people have about what will occur when their hair comes out. The hair would be thinner, and they would have an unattractive appearance, but you should be aware that losing 100 strands of hair every day is perfectly normal. This is because the body naturally discards what it deems to be unhealthy in order to make room for new growth. Therefore, the weak must leave, and only the new and the strong will remain. Because this is a natural occurrence, you should not be concerned in any way about it or other related matters. We ought to take measures to ensure that this kind of excessive hair loss and everything else like it is prevented. And here comes a few modifications in your eating habits, in your way of life, and in the way that we manage the hair that we have. Here comes the place of yoga, which would definitely enable you to have better hair development and a nice face again after it has been damaged. To begin, let's get a better understanding of the factors that contribute to severe hair loss. Inheritance and genes has a very significant role. Second, there could be shortages in our bodies, such as iron deficiency, calcium deficiency, which would cause hair loss. There is not much that can be done to confront it, but minor things can be changed. Even sinusitis, a cold, and a cough, along with any and all medications required to treat them, can lead to hair loss. You have no idea how much stress affects everything. Therefore, it's normal only that it would influence your hair. Therefore, you should learn how to live a life free of strain. The fourth is dandruff in our hair, which is the result of improper hair care. Also, this obviously contributes to hair loss, as does the use of artificial chemicals for coloring and other purposes. As a result, you should make an effort to ensure that each of these factors is properly recognized and addressed. Let us try to understand what it is that we are supposed to do from a yogic perspective. The first thing that we should do is make sure that we have a healthy diet, because any anemic condition and any deficiencies in our body should go away. So we should eat simple sattvic food on a regular basis. When it comes to hair care, practically 3 different asanas could be performed. This ensures appropriate circulation of blood on our facial region, and a relaxed attitude toward everything. First, Hastpad Asana, where you bend your back and stay in that position for some time. Second, Trikon Asana, in which you are forward bending but making your spine straight so that you create a triangle, and staying in that position for some time and coming back. Third, Vipreet Karni, in which you are going topsy-turvy up, legs head down, and in a relaxed state. So these 3 asana are ones that are definitely recommend we should be doing as part of a routine. Now that we have that out of the way, let's practice some pranayama, which is a form of yoga that helps introduce oxygen to your entire body and promotes natural good health. 1 Bhastrika, in which you are breathing in and breathing out quickly with belly movement. Practice it for 30 rounds, and it will work wonders for you, and it will also help you become more flexible. When you notice that both of your nostrils are functioning very well, move on to the second pranayama, which is alternate breathing pranayama. In order for the body to be happy naturally, these 2 pranayamas need to be practiced regularly. Amla, which is an Indian gooseberry, and lemon, which is a citrus fruit. Both of these components can be found in our kitchens. Take some amla powder, mix it with some lemon juice, and then form it into a paste. After that, spread the solution over the entirety of your scalp. After it has been there for some time and been set, you can simply leave it there and wash your hair. It is important to be aware that the vitamin C in amla and lemon helps to strengthen our hair follicles, which in turn helps to prevent hair loss and even premature graying of the hair. A lovely paste can be made with these ingredients. We need to get to work and assist ourselves. Aloe is our second natural component, and it is really beneficial for hair. Aloe is like magic. It actually helps in strengthening hair, grows healthier hair, and makes your hair bouncy. Additionally, aloe vera functions as a conditioner, so it leaves your hair feeling smooth and silky. You just need to cut open an aloe leaf, scrape out the gel, put the gel that you extracted from the aloe vera leaf in a cup, smooth it out, and then apply it to your hair. It's that easy. There is no need to combine anything else with the aloe vera. Simply apply the gel as it is, and let it sit for half an hour. Then you should wash it because it helps your hair to become noticeably stronger. It is an excellent treatment for brittle locks. Curry leaves and coconut oil are two other substances that are very close to their natural state. After roasting the curry leaves and placing them in boiling coconut oil, the process will continue until the curry reaches a dark blackish color, at which point the burner will be turned off. After it has cooled to room temperature, strain it. Now, you should just apply this oil to your scalp in a good manner, and leave it on for the next hour. After that, you should wash it with a basic natural shampoo. Now, the natural activities that you are doing won't do anything but support your natural development. You will have more bounce in your step, and feel a lot more confident and improved as a result of it. Well, there are certain things that you should do every day at any time, and one of those is massaging your scalp with your fingertip, as this really helps to relax your scalp. The second thing you should do is take a comb and comb your hair from the back to the front back, as this really helps to increase circulation to the root region. If you take a bath after rubbing buttermilk or cord into your scalp, and then washing your hair, you should notice a significant reduction in the amount of dandruff on your head. Another way to remove the bitterness from your hair is to wash it with neem leaves. Put it in water and bring it to a boil, then use the resulting water to wash your hair. This will ensure that you never have an infection, and will solve the problem. So these are a few things, and then ultimately, of course, a decent sleep helps in absolutely everything, and a good night's sleep helps in absolutely everything. So, give these things a shot, as they could actually be of assistance, and remember that we should learn to live stress-free lives, accept things as they are, and not be concerned by them. After all, you are not defined by how you look, you are what you are.